Hi, today I'm going to speak about the Samsung Nexus S. This is a phone I've been using before I bought my HTC Mozart. It runs Android and it was Android gingerbread at the time I bought it. But recently the ice cream sandwich came out and I actually decided to unbox it and to install it, and I'd like to tell you what I think about it. And first of all, I'd like to say that I'm not going to be doing a review. I'm going to talk about the impressions that I have about this system. I'm not going to cover all the functions the system has, and I'm not going to go in depth about this system. I'd like to get a quick look at all the features, at essential features that the system has, and to tell you about what I like and what I don't like about the system. Thank you. So, as I've said, I unboxed my phone today and installed the Custom Rom based on Android 4 codename Ice Cream Sandwich, and let's take a look at it. Let's unlock it and take a look. So, here is the unlock screen, and what is strange, I don't really understand why they did that. You see, you can unlock phone and go straight to your launcher or straight to your camera. I don't know why they decided not to include an ability to unlock the phone and go straight to your phone application. It's the phone after all, and you should be able to unlock the phone and go to the calling option right away. So let's unlock it, and here is the launcher screen. There's not actually a big difference to what we saw in Android gingerbread. On the bottom we see some quick applications with the button to open the up drawer, and we have some screens to swipe and to place our app shortcuts and widgets. So let's take a look at the phone application. The interface is not very smooth because it's a beta version, and Ice Cream Sandwich is not complete itself for the Nexus S, so we'll have some lags throughout the usage of the phone. But overall it works. So nothing strange here, everything is streamlined, easy to use, intuitive I must say. Let's take a look at the contacts. Well, all my contacts are downloaded from the Google server. I've been using Google server for storing my information since I bought my first Android phone. It was the Google Nexus S. Oh, I'm sorry, Google Nexus 1, and I found it a very neat way to store all my information. All my mail, all my calendars, all my contacts are stored on the server, so I just enter my information in any phone I buy new, and everything's downloaded to it. Let's take a look at the Google Talk. I must say that I've been a huge fan of Google Talks ever since I bought my Nexus 1. I've been using it on every phone I could. I've not been using it only on the HTC Mozart because it lacks the functionality to use it, and I've been using it on my Google Nexus 1, on my Google Nexus S, and I'm using it now on Nokia N9. So the interface is quite simple, nice. Let's try typing someone who's not online. And let's take a look at the keyboard. So the keyboard is generally the same as it was in Android gingerbread, but what I don't like, they changed the mechanism to change input languages to one that we see in Honeycomb, the Android 3. It's the operating system for tablets from Google. And now, to change a language, now it's English. We need to long press the space key and then select the language. So basically now different languages for keyboard, different input languages are like different keyboards to the system. So you need to change the keyboard every time you want to change the input language. So let's try to type something. Keyboard is quite the same. It's as comfortable as it was before. Let's try sending, and of course the person is offline and she'll get it when she gets online. Okay, now let's take a look at the mail application. It's one of the most important applications nowadays. I'm sorry it's a bit laggy because, you know, it's a beta software. Nothing interesting here. I believe that every mail application you can find on the market looks exactly the same. So, calendar. I'm just taking a look at all the basic functions and telling you what I like and what I don't like about the system overall. Calendar is nice. Google always included nice calendars with their software, and this one is not an exception. I like using Google Calendar for my personal calendar, for my university calendar, to keep tracks of the classes, I must admit. Nothing interesting here at all. So the system itself is quite smooth. I believe it will be when it will be released actually for Nexus S. I believe that it would be an enormously nice experience to be coping with, and I think that Android is finally becoming the system friendly to the user. Because when Android first came out, it was the system to be tweaked by an advanced user, and now I believe that Android is rapidly going at 100 miles an hour, going to be the system for the casual user. Thank you very much. If you have any comments or questions, you may ask them below.